Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for being here today. I'm Rinske. This is my art channel. Today I'm gonna work on a 60 by 80 canvas. I am so in the flow with big canvases and on my spinning table, and I did such a beautiful pour, and it's one of my favorites, on a pale green base. So today I'm gonna use a light sort of sky blue base and also blue colors and a little bit of green. I know a lot of you are not the biggest fan of green, but green for me makes every painting more striking, more attractive. I just love any green color. So that needs to be in this painting, and I want to spin it out, but it's different on not a square canvas, so it's a rectangle canvas. It flows differently, and also all my paints and acrylics are mixed with only water. So that's a challenge for me to work on those paintings, but I really want to keep more true to my own style and my own mixture. Yeah, excited for it. Let's start painting.